Well, guys, that's Jimmy and that's Isaiah. And I'm not fishing because my reel has took total mess up. And my lure's all hung up and can't get it out, so.
You're a bad fisherman with all that.
I'll go walking, boy. I would have got it out if it was like more shallow. But I did not have.
And we're just sitting on this stupid dam trying to catfish. And Jimmy is trying to catfish with his bass pole. And I don't know what Isaiah's trying to do. But
Got one. Oh!
he's trying to say he got one, but he didn't.
I lied.
I missed one
No, he didn't.
right on the bank.
No, he didn't.
Like right as soon as I was about to
Dave
let.
had one.
Boy, shut up. You ain't got one either.
All day.
Yeah.
Neither is he.
Who has it?
You.
Yeah, I have had
This
one.
one's that rock.
And my lures
You're like, ooh, I got a big one. Never mind.
is all hung up on them rocks. So,
Unsubscribe to Ryan. He said he's gonna quit his YouTube channel because he doesn't have much subscribers.
Awkward silence.
huh?
Booyah.
This stupid stuff is not working.
You gotta stay up front. Some of this super stuff. That's over there on the other side. We've already been here for about 30 minutes.
That just break my lure. Alright, I'll see y'all later.